What is going on, guys? Welcome to the show. Today we're going to be putting a brand new set of handlebars on our mini trike, something that sits a little bit higher, and we are also going to be announcing our limited run of frame production. You guys aren't going to want to miss this, so stick around.
So we got this new set of bars in. We're going to be testing it out. These here are a little bit different. They're a little bit higher of a bar. They don't taper back as much, but they do ProTaper. I think it's going to give us a little more leg room. We're going to be able to turn hopefully a little bit easier. It should kick the bars up a little bit more.
We were having issues with those bars hitting your knees.
Yeah.
So these are higher risers. They're a little bit taller of a bar that hopefully we're going to clear your knee, which we actually got recommended from some guy. I don't know where it was, Instagram?
I think it was on YouTube. Yeah, shout out to that guy.
Shout out to you for recommending those, because we bought them. Yep. And you send that guy a sticker pack.
We do.
So if that was you,
comment down
below. Well, like, how are we gonna fact check that? So we're gonna be installing these bars, and like I said before, we have the announcement with the frames. We are gonna be producing frames. We're gonna talk about that a little bit later in the video, but let's get these things on here and see if they actually make a difference. So what are those bars technically called? High-rise ATV bars?
No, these here were like the ATV high, which is ironic because they weren't very high at all. So these are off a CRF 50, kind of like those little mini pit bikes that Honda makes.
Oh, okay.
These are pretty much made for big guys that like little bikes.
That's a smaller stretch on it too. You see what I'm saying? Like the foam thing's shorter.
Oh yeah, yeah, that's true too. But yeah, there's all sorts of technical terms for this. Like, I'm not even gonna get into it, but these are just gonna be a little bit bigger.
Yeah. One issue that we were running into with the smaller bars, or the lower bars, is turning radius and hitting your knees with these. But even just looking at those look like they're gonna be a lot better. Shout out to you, Mr. YouTube comment man. So if you guys are watching this in any time frame that's close to, what is it, April, about to be May of 2022? If not, sorry. We're doing a collaboration with the Mini Bike Syndicate on Instagram. So you guys wanna make sure you go check that out and see. This just doesn't get me, man. Doesn't get me. Doesn't get me. Mini Bike Syndicate on Instagram. Get in there.
Oh yeah.
Little tiny ratchet for a little tiny mini trike.
I thought you were gonna say for a little guy. Russ was thinking this is gonna take a long time. He was a little beat down, a little frazzled today. I said, this won't take that long, man.
Well, I'm still waiting to see how this freaking grip goes.
You don't have to take it off.
What do you mean?
Why would you have to take it off?
You're changing the bars.
Yeah, we'll just throw a new one on.
You have another set that looks just like that?
I got a whole Fastenal bin full of them.
Guy's just a big bin guy around here, flexing all his bins.
Tell you what, man.
They're fully stocked.
I love bins.
Dang!
Okay, so give you guys a little side-by-side comparison here. Good one.
I am less than impressed right now.
I'm not thrilled. Got a little extra height on
That's
these
actually,
ones.
I'm pretty excited for that.
Get a top down. See how much more these are bent back?
Oh yeah.
Digging right into your knees?
Yeah. Dude, this is gonna be sweet. It honestly might change the entire feel
It definitely is. That's why I was so amped up to get it put on here.
What do we do with like all these ProTapers we bought? Give them away as charity.
These almost feel a little lighter too.
Dude, it looks like a stunt bike now.
Is it too high?
No.
It looks like a BMX bike.
If you like look at pit bikes, they all have those bars. Oh yeah, this is a stunner now.
Come on.
It's even like pretty comfy. Oh dude, this feels like 100% better.
You seeing this?
You seeing this guy?
What are you gonna do if this just makes this handle like a whole nother machine?
It probably is. Seem any different?
Oh yeah. Just take it easy.
Oh man! Dude, it's completely different.
Is it?
Like if you sit up on it a little bit. Oh, look at that!
Dude! literally just blew the whole driveway off. That's it. You're done. Put it away. Put it away.
Dude.
Put it away. I literally just spent all day blowing this pad off with
man.
the leaf blower. Are you kidding me? Are
Did you get that?
Are you literally kidding me? Dude, you hit that so hard. If that thing would have hooked up, you'd have been on your head.
Dude, did you see the figure eights I was ripping? Just out here sweeping the gravel.
Sweeping the gravel. Putting all the skid marks back.
Dude, it's night and day difference though. Like, being able to turn that tight.
Shout out to you, Mr. YouTube Comment Man.
And that's why it takes so long for us to produce frames, because like if we would have busted out 10 of those a week ago, and then like you wouldn't even know how sweet it is with these bars on it.
Well, we're just out here testing and tuning, man.
I honestly, dude, that made such a huge difference.
That's why we can't rush this.
All right, well, I guess after all that, we should segue into what's going on with the old frames.
Yeah, I feel like we need to I'm gonna set up like a tripod down there at the frame table because this looks like garbage.
Like garbage.
Garbage.
All right, sure. So today, making this announcement on YouTube when you guys are gonna see this, and also on our Instagram post, we started a newsletter on our website. So to get on to the list with the announcements, go to thegaragevlog.com. You're gonna get hit with a sign up for the newsletter, and that's where we're gonna be doing all the announcements so you guys don't miss anything. Sometimes with the algorithm on Instagram, they won't show you our posts. Sometimes you won't see our YouTube videos. We're gonna be doing a small batch run of 10 of these. There's only gonna be 10. If you want to get one and you wanna make sure that you have your order in, you have to make sure that you pay attention to the posts, the newsletter that's gonna come out. We're gonna be making all these frames prior to and shipping out the next day once they are purchased. So the next 2 weeks, you're gonna see us posting a lot of stuff about frame build, videos about that, all the process of it.
You know, this isn't something you're just getting imported in from China.
Yeah.
This is USA made steel that's being, cut, bent, made here in the USA, build the highest quality stuff that we can.
So we're not a frame manufacturing company right now. We're gonna see how this first batch goes, make a decision if we're gonna do a run after that. Who knows how long it's gonna be, when we're gonna do another one, or if we're gonna be on to the next thing. So if you're really interested in this, make sure you guys pay attention to those things I just mentioned. The Instagram post, the YouTube videos, and that newsletter is gonna be huge, because that's gonna have all the details of what time it's going live. I don't want to say too much right now because we're going to continually add to this, but 2 weeks from now, you're going to have a chance to purchase one of these if you're one of the 10 lucky people that can get in there first.
I guess another thing to add, you said we're not really frame manufacturers. We're definitely in the manufacturing business. We manufacture other frames, so it's not like, don't think you're just getting something that's a fly-by-night company that some guy in their backyard's welding.
We're not a mini bike company.
Yeah.
So, yet. Dang! All right, on that note, just end it. Cut it.
That's it. That's the end of the video. Just us cackling and just getting ready to say we've hit the point of diminishing return.
Yeah, I'm pretty tired.
We're just so tired and just out here grinding for the people that want these frames, man.